Okay, let's read words with long A sound. Aim, came, aim, dame. Who aim, lame. Aim, same. Aim, tame. Aim, fame. Aim, game. Okay, let's read it again together. Came, dame, lame, same, tame, fame, game. Okay, it's your turn to read now. Okay, very good. You read it well. Okay, this is teacher Yumi, and now let's practice reading. Ache, bake, ache, fake, ache, rake, ache, lake, ache, make, ache, sake, ache, take. Okay, let's read again together. Bake, fake, rake, lake, make, sake, take. Ate, rate, ate, Kate, ate, bait, ate, hate, ate, mate, ate, fate, ate, date. Okay, let's read together. Rate, Kate, bait, hate, mate, fate, date. Okay, it's your turn to read. Okay, very good.